This Subaru CVTF-II automatic transmission fluid is a genuine factory fill that helps continuously variable transmissions in Subaru models operate smoothly and reliably over the long term. The 6-quart package is sized appropriately for a typical drain and refill service, making it convenient for do-it-yourself owners who want to follow Subaru's maintenance guidance closely. Because it is engineered specifically for Subaru continuously variable transmissions rather than as a universal fluid, it supports proper belt engagement, reduces shudder, and helps maintain consistent shift behavior. Owners often notice quieter operation and more predictable acceleration after switching to this fluid, which speaks to its compatibility with the internal components and seals used in Subaru continuously variable transmissions. The wide fitment range, covering many model years of Crosstrek, Forester, Legacy, Outback, and Impreza, makes this an easy one-stop solution for households or shops that service multiple Subaru vehicles. Its distinctive green color and clear Subaru part number labeling simplify identification, helping ensure the correct fluid is used and minimizing the risk of mixing with incompatible products.